So in here, we're going to set this thing up. This is quadratic gravity graph 10. So we're dealing with gravity. So setup, just like we've done so many other times. It's repetitive. We do the same things over and over again. We start with our C value. What is our value of C? And here we got a C value of 144. We know that. And we know our A value is still, again, because of gravity, we know A is equal to negative 16 t squared. So far, so good. And then last and definitely not least, we got to make sure our B value, do we know what our B value is? So B has to be equal to 0 because it started, this is our acceleration, how fast are we going, miles per hour, whatever. If it's starting here on top of the roof, it's just going to be 0. So this is our equation, or our equation for time. So we know it's going to be minus 16 t squared plus 144. We know that. Here's the thing. They want to know something else. They want to know the other side. They want to know when this thing, so this whole thing, so I'm just going to call this my equation. I'm going to write it. I'm going to rewrite it. So I'm going to say this is just y equals, but I'm going to rewrite this as an equation because this is what I'm going to need. Y equals x squared plus 144. They want to know this. When y is equal to 63, because y is the height, they want to know when this is equal to 63. So I need these two equations in Desmos. I need those two. So I'm going to go to my Desmos, as much as it likes me so. So in Desmos, I usually do it apart, do this, so I can have both of them up. There we go. Is that one next to another? So in Desmos, I'm typing in, I'm just going to say y equals, and we got our velocity, velocity, so we know it's this is gravity here, so it's minus 16. Remember, I changed it. I substituted for t with x because I need something specific. If I'm looking, if they give me a height, that means I'm looking for x. And then here, the specific height they gave me, they said y equals 63. And that's supposed to be equals, not minus. Y equals 63. And I can hit enter. Then I got to find it. Because obviously I'm not seeing it right now, so I'm like, okay, so I'm just going to zoom out. I need to get up to 63. Oh, there's 63. And I need the positive side because there's going to be a positive negative side. But I need to know where's it crossing. And that's what I got. So when it's 63, it's in, the height should have been 5 seconds at 63. Uh-oh. So something's off. Either my calculations are off or this thing is off. Oh. I know what it did. You know what it did? I didn't say squared. Now, normally, this is all about mistakes today. I'm going to do home. I knew the graph was wrong as soon as I looked at it, but if you ever get something like that and it's off, don't sit there and blame Desmos. I should have started all over, but this time I didn't. I knew the graph was wrong. But if I look here, it's 63 at 2.25. So the answer has to be D. So if you do something like, it gave me a completely wrong answer. The paper must be wrong, or the thing I'm working on must be wrong. Check your Desmos. You might have did it wrong. So that's our answer. Cancel.